So, why would you do life insurance? It's so complicated, it's old-fashioned. We have to ask you embarrassing health questions, you have to be identified, and it's a pretty regulated market. But that's exactly why. This is a wide open space. You know, the incumbents are busy with Solvency II, they're busy with capital requirements, and they're sitting on old technology. And they really have not looked after the changes in the customer's desires and needs in terms of digital and convenient. So long as Community Life has come along and said, we'll do this end-to-end, complete digital convenience, life insurance, simple for the customer. Is it worth doing this? Well, actually, I have a sort of an assumption. That is that we will have a longer relationship with you than you may have with your spouse. These are 20-year contracts, and our customers tend to be good earners. So it is a very valuable long-term relationship that we are acquiring. And if we do it right, if we make the experience of getting essential protection good for people, we think we can earn their loyalty. Why is this? The other thing is insurance. It is one of the most social activities that we can do as human beings. We come together, we have a pot of money, we can help each other out in need. And Community Life's job is to take away the barriers for people to get that protection, make it easy and convenient. And next to insurance, we actually have said to ourselves, it can't solve everything, so we have a hardship pot. The customers decide on what they want to do with that. Our insurance community says there's a hardship in the community, let's help somebody, or we give it to charity. So what exactly do? We do everything along the value chain, but we don't cover the technical risk. We develop the products to make them simple. We have robo-advice, robo-underwriting, policy issuance, all online. And then the very last great thing for the customer is that their entire file is online. They have complete transparency, complete convenience. They change whatever they want online themselves, and it's a great model because it's also cost efficient. The other thing that we do is we partner with good product providers who will cover that risk. Our first products are with Swiss Re, it's a subsidiary, iptiQ. We do disability and term life with them, talking to other providers, getting new products shortly. And how do we make our money? It's an interesting mix because we have the nice effect of initial commission to bring upfront earnings in, but then we're building an olive tree farm. We will build up a book of business. We get a regular income stream out of the administration, which is, when you look at the German market today, what most life companies are living off despite poor sales. The last thing that I want to talk about is why do we think that we'll be successful? The thing is, our team combines the three things that I think you need. You need to have the deep insurance understanding and expertise, you need to have the understanding in e-commerce, and you have to have the technology. And we've combined all of that. And the other thing that is important is, what do customers think? Do they think this is valuable? And I can say yes. When I look at the online ratings, what do people write? They say, simple and convenient as promised. They say, das gelebte Wir-Gefühl, which means they feel, it's in German, it means we feel it's a we proposition. And they say, can you do more products like this? And I think the last point is that this model, it's a D2C model in Germany. We can do this in other markets. It's also a B2B model because risk carriers who have not cracked that digital nut say, well, why don't we cooperate with you? And the third thing is, if we see the margins looking good in carrying risk, we just expand to that part of the value chain and we become a life company while we're making money as a virtual life company in the meantime. For a technology company, I'm not very good at this. So, and this is where we are. We started last year. We got seed funding from Swiss Re, and we're now looking for the next round to build out the business. We're based in Kelkheim, Germany. For those of you who don't know where it is, it's close to Frankfurt. Good location for the airport, and happy to take any questions. Thank you. I tried to be fast and use up not all of the 5 minutes. I still have 45 seconds. No questions? So very happy to be in touch with anybody who's interested in an insurtech that gives you upfront earnings and helps you build an olive farm for the long term. Thanks very much.